Q8386. To protect seals from damage when installed over a threaded section, the threaded section should be A. Coated with a heavy grease. B. Covered with tape. C. Covered with a suitable sleeve. The correct answer is C. When installing seals over a threaded section, the threaded section should be covered with a suitable sleeve to prevent damage to the seal during installation. The sleeve helps to protect the seal from being cut or torn by the threads on the mating part. Coating with heavy grease or covering with tape is not sufficient to prevent damage to the seal during installation over a threaded section. Q8387. Which of the following is the most commonly used seal to prevent internal and external leakage in both directions of a hydraulic unit? A. O-ring. B. V-ring. C. U-ring. The correct answer is A. O-rings are the most commonly used seals for hydraulic systems because they are effective at preventing both internal and external leakage. They work by creating a tight seal between two surfaces that are being joined together, which prevents hydraulic fluid from escaping. O-rings are made from a variety of materials, including rubber, silicone, and fluorocarbon, and are available in many different sizes to fit a wide range of hydraulic components. Q8388. Which of the following allows fluid to flow unimpeded in one direction but prevents fluid flow in the other direction? A. Check valve. B. Sequence valve. C. Relief valve. The correct answer is A. A check valve is a one-way valve that allows fluid to flow in one direction and prevents it from flowing in the opposite direction. It operates by using a spring-loaded valve that opens in one direction and closes in the other, or by using a ball or other similar mechanism that is forced open by the flow of fluid in one direction and seats itself to prevent backflow in the other direction. Check valves are commonly used in hydraulic systems to prevent backflow of fluid, which can cause damage to components and reduce system efficiency. Q8389. Select the valve used in a hydraulic system that directs pressurized fluid to one end of an actuating cylinder and simultaneously directs return fluid to the reservoir from the other end. A. Sequence. B. Shuttle. C. Selector. The correct answer is C. A selector valve is a crucial component in a fluid power system that serves the purpose of controlling the flow of pressurized fluid within the system. It is specifically designed to direct the pressurized fluid to one end of an actuating cylinder, enabling the desired motion or operation, while simultaneously redirecting the return fluid from the other end of the cylinder back to the reservoir. By effectively managing the flow of fluid, the selector valve enables precise control and efficient operation of hydraulic or pneumatic actuators in various applications. Q8390. What function does the absolute pressure regulator perform in the pneumatic power system? A. Regulates the compressor outlet air pressure to stabilize the system pressure. B. Regulates the pneumatic system pressure to protect the moisture separator from internal explosion. C. Regulates the compressor inlet air to provide a stabilized source of air for the compressor. The correct answer is C. The absolute pressure regulator plays a crucial role in regulating the air pressure within an aircraft pneumatic system. Its main function is to control and maintain the air pressure at the inlet of the compressor. By doing so, it ensures that the compressor receives a steady and stabilized source of air, which is essential for its proper operation. The absolute pressure regulator helps maintain a consistent and controlled air supply, allowing the pneumatic system to function effectively and reliably in various aircraft operations.